Hello folks, Westerham Flyer here. Remembrance Sunday. I'm just coming on the Ring of Red. I'm joining Clacket Lane. Here we are. All the bikes. Look at them all. Lots of bikes. It's the Ring of Red. Marvellous turnout today. What a turnout. Right, let's park up. Oh, everybody getting ready to leave. Bikes revving. Like I say, it's got to be single file, 5 bikes apart. About 50 miles an hour on the inside lane, so... Any movement? Let's have a look. Well, they said about 1:15. Well, there you go, it's 1:15. Don't know if we've got police to help us get out. A few hundred bikes joining the M25 one after the other, take a while. And this is going on all around the M25 at different service stations. They're coming down from the M40 and the M1. Oh, you know what I haven't done? I haven't done my crash helmet up. That won't do. Right, let's go and join the M25 again. On these leaves. White lines and leaves when they're wet. Terrible stuff. Beautiful sunny dry day. Oh, that's a bit strobe, like the sun flashing through the trees. Oh, people on the bridge. Oh, it's bad luck, I've got a car in my way, so I can't film the bikes in front. Perhaps he might turn off in a minute, I hope. Well, one moving over, another one moving in. Bit of a bunch up front. I really need to single file out a bit more. It's not a group ride out, it's a single file ride out. Oh, riding into the sun now. Cobham, 1.5 miles. Funny, it seems to take long in the car, don't seem to take long on a bike in the inside lane. I'm doing up to 60. Must be another group somewhere. Can't see them in me mirrors. Lost them. Oh, All some hardy types are carrying on. Get warmed up before we go back. Half hour. Well, just under. Right, Cobham, that's it then. Time for a coffee and then back. Westerham Flyer out.